I know it's winter time and I love the fan. And I just want to make a really quick video because I haven't made a video in a long time. So I want to see if I can pull this off. I have been hooked into watching Temu videos and using coupons that was through anybody. I just went and downloaded the app and did an order. I really, I got a lighter and the bottle spray bottle because I've been wanting another spray bottle. So I got that too. And I ordered three different, two purses and a tote bag because I just like bags and I want to see what the quality was like since it's so cheap. What would it look like? Would it give me? Would it work? Because if anyone knows, all I buy is Vera Bradley and Lug. That's all I buy. That's the only two brands I buy. So this is my first time venturing out in over 10 years of buying a cheaper purse. And I'm going to try these out over the week. I just washed them and they passed the wash test. Nothing fell off. So that's good. So this is the first one. I like vibrant colors. That's just the whole Vera Bradley situation. I should have opened this before I started. Two zipper compartments. Really good zippers too. I'm surprised. I should have turned the light. Let's turn on the light on this phone. I'm using my phone. See the light so you can see how the lining is. It's really thick. It's not thin or anything like that. I kind of thought or the best way to describe the material of this bag is remind me of like when I used to buy bags from Walmart and Target bags. Yeah, that's the best way to describe this. And then the one in the front is the bigger compartment, and it has a zipper and two little sleeves to put stuff in. It's a hidden zipper. It reminds me of the Vera bags with that, but and the lug bags because they always have these little hidden zipper pockets in there. And I said this is perfect because I like putting my phone in the bag and wallet. But I don't think this one can fit my wallet that I use right now. So that's kind of weird. But it's just black because I love black bags. I'm a black bag fanatic. I picked this one because the way it was made in the front. It has a pocket in the front. I like that pocket right there. Because you can just slip stuff in there. And it zips. It's a tote bag that zips. But it really reminds me of the hobo bags, really. If you really think about it. It reminds me of that. Really wide. Look how wide this one is. Really good. Then you got handles on it too. Right here has a handle. And here we go again. I zipped the bag before I even thought of it. A little tiny zipper compartment. I wasn't expecting that because I'm gonna tell you why I didn't expect this on this because I remember when Wish first came out and you got that really soft strap right here on this one too. Really good. But I didn't expect it to be this type of quality because of what happened when Wish came out. It wasn't all that good. They're highest made at the top. Yeah, I'm gonna try putting some stuff in these. Like I said, for next week, I'm gonna use these. Try to use these bags next week or whatever, or this week after they dry. And this is the other one. This is the one I'm actually like out of all the three out of the three I bought. I like this one the most because I didn't know it was gonna be made like this. I didn't pay attention to the pictures on mine either. Don't ask me. I just fell in love with the print. Okay, so open that. It's a zipper compartment right here. Really deep on that flap. So I didn't need to pull up the flap. Another zipper compartment. And it's like that. And there's a lot of space in that zipper compartment. There it is. have elastic on it on the sides. I like that. I really felt about this one. That's all. And then the inside is different, and I respected it. Let's see if I can pull this off so you can see what I'm saying. This is the inside, 2 deep pocket right here. And I never seen a zipper compartment in the middle before, which is something I never seen before. So that's nice. And then another one in the back. And then when you turn to the side, to the back, is another compartment, another zipper. And that's the bottom. So you see how wide it is too. It's a lot bigger. I like a bigger bag. So would I order for Temu again? Definitely will, because I ordered 5 items and all 5 items look like the picture and they better quality than I expected to be. Because like I said, I'm used to my certain type of bag and I did not buy that type of bag this time.